Hi, my name is William Allen, and this is my introductory video for my portfolio. So just a little bit about me, both personally and professionally. I grew up in a small northwest town, Brewster, Kansas, which has a population of about 300. I graduated with 8 other kids in my class before attending Benedictine College, which is a small Catholic college in Atchison, Kansas, where I graduated with my Bachelor of Arts in Elementary Education before returning to Colby, Kansas to teach at a small Catholic school, Sacred Heart. I started off teaching 2nd grade for a year and a half before I moved up to 5th grade, and I have done that for the past 2 years. So I have 3.5 years teaching experience total. K through 5, our school is about 80 students, so we have pretty small class sizes. A little bit about my personal life. That last slide pictured my wife, Katie. We have been married for almost 2 years. On the 21st of this month, we will have been married for 2 years, and we just had a daughter, Rosalie, about 4 months back. She turns 4 months old tomorrow, actually. So life has gotten a lot different. Life has become a lot different since having her, but we are very blessed to have her. Some personal hobbies include playing sports. I love volleyball, tennis, basketball, disc golf, pretty much anything. I love to play sports recreationally. I also enjoy reading, especially mysteries, watching movies, and spending time with our family. My wife and I both have family very close by, so we get to see them quite often. So what made me choose Fort Hays State University? Ultimately, it was cost that made me choose Fort Hays. The cost allowed me to begin my program in the summer of 2019, and I'm looking to complete it by the summer of 2022. So I'm just a couple classes away from completing the class requirements, and then I'm hoping to really dive into the portfolio work and my clinical hours that are required. Some other reasons I chose it was the flexibility of being able to attend online while working, and I also had some friends complete the program that had good things to say about it. So like I said, I'm pretty far along into the program, so my initial expectations, I'll just kind of go into my expectations that I've come to expect after being in several classes. So I've received instruction in relevant topics, some practical experience. I've had networking opportunities with my classmates and peers throughout the program, and I've also received knowledge applicable to my current situation so I can use it right away in my own teaching. And then I've also created a lot of resources to refer to down the road. So lots of the classwork that I've done has been creating different projects or presentations or even just reflections through Word documents. So I'm excited that I've got quite the collection that I can refer to down the road when I get into administration and building leadership. So thank you for watching this presentation.